10 steps that will increase your push-ups fast. Push-ups are a great mainstay of any exercise routine. They work for several upper body muscle groups, don't require too much time, and don't require any gym equipment at all. However, many people feel intimidated by push-ups because they cannot do very many at a time. With regular practice and a solid routine, anyone can increase the overall number of push-ups he or she can do. In this video, we'll learn how to do more push-ups, build your upper body strength and endurance, and ace your next fitness test. So, keep on watching. Some of the health benefits of push-ups. Number 1. Improved upper body strength. It's no shocker that push-ups seriously challenge your upper half. You are, after all, bending your arms to lower and lift your entire body. Push-ups are a great upper body strengthener. That's because they work essentially your entire upper half, including the front of your chest, both the front and back of your arms, aka biceps and triceps, shoulders, and upper back. Building strength in these areas will make certain day-to-day activities like carrying a hefty bag of groceries or lifting a suitcase into an overhead bin feel a little easier. Another perk? Compared to other upper body moves that target just one specific muscle group, like bicep curls for example, which hone in on, surprise surprise, your biceps. Push-ups hit many different muscle groups at once, making them an efficient, effective exercise for improving upper body strength on the whole. Number 2. Improved core strength and stability. But push-ups aren't just about upper body strength. They can be a full body workout if done correctly. When performed correctly, push-ups are a great way to stabilize and strengthen your core. The core isn't just about your rectus abdominis, aka abs, but also includes many other muscles in your midsection. And while certain core moves focus primarily on the abs, looking at you crunches, a properly performed push-up targets some of the lesser-known muscles in the core like transverse abdominis, the deepest core muscles that help support your spine, multifidus, a series of small muscles that run along the spine, and others. By targeting these other core muscles, you're helping the entire unit of your core become stronger and more stable. Because the core is essentially the powerhouse of the body and a crucial component of the movements we do in so many different scenarios, a stronger core unit will essentially make everything in life easier. That includes activities both at the gym, whether you're squatting or running or lifting weights, and in day-to-day life, from walking or carrying groceries to picking up a child. 10 steps that will increase your push-ups fast. Number 1. Gradually increase your workout load. In order for the heart and muscles to get stronger, the workout load must be gradually increased compared to what you are normally accustomed to. For instance, as you start to get stronger, try a set of 5 regular push-ups in between sets of modified push-ups. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. Number 2. Use good push-up form. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they involve multiple joints and work for different muscle groups at the same time. You'll feel most of the work in your upper body, primarily the deltoids of your shoulders, the pectoral muscles of the chest, the triceps and biceps, and the muscles on either side of the spine and the back body. In addition, you'll use your abdominal muscles to help you maintain proper alignment and technique. If you're still working on building up your strength for standard push-ups, you can modify them by lowering to your knees, using an incline, or standing up and facing a wall. Modifications are useful if you are unable to lower them all the way down. Before you start cranking out multiple reps, it's important to practice good push-up form. In a high plank position, focus on the neutral alignment of your spine and neck to avoid sagging in the middle. As you lower and lift, avoid locking out your elbows. Follow these 5 steps to practice good push-up form. Number 1. Begin in a tabletop position, on your hands and knees with your hands placed slightly wider than your shoulders. Number 2. Extend your legs back and tuck your toes under as you lift your knees off the floor. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and avoid sagging in the middle or arching your back. You can place your feet a little wider or narrower depending on what helps you feel more stable. Number 3. Before you lower, draw your belly button in toward your spine to engage your core. Number 4. On an inhale, start to bend your elbows. Keep them hugged in as you lower yourself until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle. Number 5, as you exhale, contract your chest muscles and push back up through your hands to return to your starting position. Remember to avoid locking your elbows. Keep them slightly bent to keep your triceps and biceps engaged. Number 3, create a push-up routine. The best way to stick to a workout and build up strength for the push-ups is to create a regular routine and make it a part of a weekly workout regimen. You might start your cardio or strength training workout with a few sets of push-ups or add them to a circuit of high-intensity exercises. Number 4, set your baseline repetitions. To find the number of repetitions you should perform in each set, do as many push-ups as you can in 2 minutes and divide this number by 3. This is your baseline repetition count. Each workout will generally include 3 sets of this number of repetitions. Number 5, start with the basics. Do a push-up workout every other day, such as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Warm up with a slow jog, cycling on a stationary bike, or jumping rope. Perform your basic workout with 3 sets of push-ups and a 30-second rest between sets. Each week, add 2 to 3 repetitions to your sets. Retest yourself every 4 weeks and set a new repetition baseline. Number 6, add variety. There are dozens of ways to vary your push-up workout. Consider changing your hand placement during repetitions. Mix it up by starting your reps with narrow hand placement and progressively widening your hand placement during each set. Number 7, vary your body position. Just as you can move your hand position during a push-up, you can also change your body position to increase or decrease the intensity of the exercise. Number 1, to increase intensity. Try decline push-ups with your feet elevated, stability ball push-ups, or plyometric push-ups. Clap your hands between reps. Number 2, to decrease intensity. Do hand release push-ups or do your push-ups on your knees, on a box or bench, or against a wall. Number 8, add resistance. Elevating your feet while doing push-ups will increase resistance, but it also changes your range of motion. To increase resistance during a standard push-up, you can add a weighted vest or wear a close-fitting backpack filled with sandbags or water bladders. Number 9, end with a plank. The final minute of your push-up workout can be dedicated to improving core strength and stability, which is essential during the push-up. The plank exercise is a perfect way to round out your upper body workout. Try to hold the plank for 30 to 60 seconds and finish with a long, slow prone back extension at the end of the workout. Number 10, rest and recover. If you are performing push-up exercises to fatigue, you will need to allow at least 1 day of recovery between push-up workouts. Practicing push-ups every day, if done to fatigue, can backfire and result in a decrease in strength and endurance. Tips. Number 1. If you encounter any breaks in your typical routine, you may have to reduce your number per set until you get back into the rhythm of it. Take a new baseline if you need to, and do not let yourself get discouraged. Number 2, as you become more comfortable and feel like increasing the challenge for yourself, try learning diamond push-ups or one-armed push-ups and replacing several repetitions or even entire sets with these more difficult variations. Number 3, vary the exercise. Push-ups offer great exercise, but they should be part of a more well-rounded routine. An intense cardio routine that burns fat is a great way to increase your overall push-up numbers, since you lift less with each repetition when you lose weight. Number 4. If you initially have trouble doing any push-ups at all, try doing knee push-ups instead. These are push-ups where you rest on your knees instead of your feet. They work for the same muscle groups but require you to lift less of your body weight to achieve. Number 5. Do push-ups in the middle of your normal activities. If you work on the computer in the evenings, do push-ups while taking a break. Commercials on TV are also a great time to get in a set or two. Ready to increase your push-up? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.